today we're going to pack our lunch. Before you start, you don't forget to wash your hands. All you need is some fruits, bread, cucumber, butter, cheese, yogurt, container, and your water bottle. Don't forget your lunchbox. First, spread the butter on the bread. Add your cheese. Add some cucumber. And then place your bread on top. Now it's time to cut. Ask for some help. And then cut the sandwich. And then wrap it in a bag. Now it's time to prepare your fruit. Take off the lid. Choose your fruit. And then place it into a container. Put the lid back on. Grab your water bottle and pour the water in. And it's all done. Now it's time to pack. First you add your fruit, your sandwich, your water bottle, and a little healthy snack. Now it's your turn to pack your lunch. See you next time. Bye, guys.